behind the scenes is Joe Biden's German Shepherd named Commander. Commander has bit 13 motherfuckers at the White House to this day. It's just a new day and age. It's a new day and age. It's a day and age now where the truth is all you need to have. If you got some of the truth on your motherfucking side, you ain't got nothing to worry about. But if you got a lie, oh, lies is catching hell right now, today. Yes, in real life. Because there's too many great detectives in the world right now. White detectives, black detectives, Hispanic detectives, Indian detectives, Asian detectives, just great detectives. I wish all the detectives could talk to one another. So black detectives could tell white people when something is fucked up on our end. I think the last time we saw it as a group is when that black lady said she saw that baby on the side of the highway. White people, I want you to know as niggas we were so ashamed. You lying ass bitch. Niggas had a perfect track record. It was fucked up. Clearly, she didn't have not one white friend. All niggas know you don't call no motherfucking highway, freeway line and say you a nigga. Saw some shit that no white person has seen all day, bitch. I knew she was lying 30 seconds in. She said something that was embarrassing to kidnappers. She said the kidnappers took her wig off and put it in the car. If you don't shut the fuck up, man. There's not a kidnapper in the world, not Al-Qaeda, not ISIS, not nobody, that would rather deal with a black woman without her motherfucking wig. Is you out your rabbit ass mind? You'll have to kill her. She'll tell you that right by the car. You'll have to kill me. This is glued on. It's a crazy world out there. If you really are woke, you'll hear some shit in real news that your brain can't even understand. If the person is powerful enough, they can fuck with your brain and make you believe something you've never heard before. Look at everybody. Like who, nigga? I don't want to name no names. I'm just saying. Jamie Foxx is a powerful motherfucker. Do you hear me? That nigga say some shit you never even heard in your brain. They said on the news, Jamie Foxx has a mystery illness. What the fuck is a mystery illness, bitch? Look at all the people. Katt, don't get cancer. No, never in the history of medicine has there been a mystery illness. In the real world, if you got a mystery illness, bitch, it means you are fine. Right when you believe something you're not supposed to believe, they hit your ass again. Right after they said the nigga had a mystery illness, the next news flash, they said, we just cured it. You just cured what? A mystery, bitch? The fuck did you cure him with? You just gave him all the pills. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Look at everybody looking like, this is it, Katt, you're out of here. No, you ain't gotta worry, because all you got to do is tell the truth. The truth is crazy enough, you ain't got to make up no shit. I'm gonna say something to you that sounds like a motherfucker made it up, and it's really in the news. The FBI, our FBI, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, said they don't know whose cocaine was at the White House. What? What type of investigation did you do? I don't know what the fuck is going on. We don't know whose it is. It was in Hunter Biden's room. It said Hunter's blow on the bag. What do you mean, whose cocaine? It's crazy. Hunter on crack. Joe is doing the best he motherfucking can. We done lowered the bar so low for Joe. As long as Joe don't fall, we be fine. Go on and get up them stairs, Joe. There you go, that's a boy. Hunter on crack. Joe sleep. The only person really working at the White House, behind the scenes, is Joe Biden's German Shepherd named Commander. Commander has bit 13 motherfuckers at the White House to this day. Commander is standing on business, bitch. Take his picture down, if you would. In case you wonder why you don't see Kamala Harris, she's scared of dogs. It's a crazy world. Everything's going crazy. It ain't just on the human side. Even in the animal world, shit has changed. They know it. They don't know how to tell you. In the ocean, all the creatures of the ocean done got together. And they are not about no more foolishness. It's whole groups of sharks swimming around in motherfucking packs, looking for motherfucking surfers. It's dolphins and orcas that done got together sinking ships. And they know what the fuck going on. They tested the water outside of Florida this summer. They found out that a mile down, it was 101 degrees in the ocean. The fuck? That's jacuzzi numbers, bitch. And that's where all the cocaine of the world come through. They know them sharks is hiding a motherfucker. And that's the same water they saw Jamie Foxx coming out of. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Y'all know I'm just playing. The world is so crazy. Even as a black person in the greatest country in the world, we still be going through shit sometimes. And when something happened to a black person, we don't have nobody to help us. Only God can come out of nowhere and uplift us. And we know that for a fact. We don't know where the uplifting gonna come from, but we be happy to get it. I can testify from my own life. When I'm feeling low, there's a song that go right to the core of my soul. God bless that baby girl. I did not know I needed that. I needed that shit. That's right, as a black person, you don't know where the uplifting gonna come from. But you be happy than a motherfucker to see it. I think the last time we all saw it as a group, that motherfucking Alabama riverboat brawl. That is one of the greatest things I ever saw in my life. Are you kidding me? I did not know I needed that. I needed that. I couldn't believe it. I never seen anything like that. And white people, black people can't tell you this, but I'll say it. As a nigga, I never been so proud to see a nigga swim in my life. You'd have thought I was watching the Olympics, bitch. Yeah! Everything was perfect. Right when you thought there was no hope, there was hope. And that nigga understood the assignment. He knew that every black person was counting on him. If that nigga had a drowned, niggas would have died. That nigga understood the assignment. He swam like every black person was counting on him. I never seen no shit like that. Right when you thought it was over, it was not over. That nigga picked up that folding chair and said, "This shit right here, nigga." Whew. I almost went to heaven. White people, let me say this in front of all these minorities. That was not racial. Let me repeat. That was not racial. That was equality. Some people needed their ass whooped, some people got their ass whooped. That's it, no harm, no foul. That wasn't even black people moves, that was world wrestling moves. I know earlier I said, this is the greatest time to be alive ever. But not for everybody.